my right foot in the game now. Let me show y'all what I'm working with.
Alright, yes guys, so we will be getting into this ponytail and try to fix it back up, because baby, oh my god, I look a mess. Alright, yes, Rica's world, baby. Rica is here. Okay guys, what I want to talk to you today about is these raggedy ponytails. Okay, it's so simple to patch it up, and I'm going to show you how. Sometimes we feel like, oh, you know, the hair's sticking out now. You really don't have time. You don't have an appointment till like 2 more days from now. So you just want to patch yourself up. And if you don't know how, I'll show you how to make it look right back sleek like you just left the salon. So, I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. But yeah, anywho, we're going to get into this ponytail. Alright. So now, the first thing you will need definitely to redo your ponytail is a spray bottle. A big tooth comb, some mousse, some type of heat protector, even though I just use it because it's wet, to be honest with you. Something sleek to sleek all your knotty kinkies back into place. And most important, your sleek serum, your anti-freeze serum. This is great, guys. Please don't pay attention to my nails. It's quarantine time, and baby, I can't do no nails. I can't even polish no nails. I'm telling you, it'll be all gooped up and a whole hot mess. So I don't even play those games. Not for to play with you. So what you want to do is take your comb and just start from the bottom. If you start from the bottom, it's going to work its way in really good. You're going to have some kinks along the way, but you want to detangle. You don't want to put anything on here while it's tangled up. Just imagine wet and tangled. Do that even make sense? It doesn't make sense to me, so I don't know. I just like to do things that make sense. Well, I hope everybody is enjoying their time quarantining and making sure you stay safe. This is a tragic, situation. I just wish this was not happening. You done combed out all the kinks, all the tangles. You don't want to add anything in your hair when it's tangled up. It's not going to be a good look. I can just tell you that right now. You see, this is a 24-inch, I believe. 24-inch natural wave, if you want to know. 24-inch natural wave. And I have the high band. Alright, so we got it all combed out. So we're going to put this up because we can't do this until the end. Like, this is like the very end. We got to get into this ponytail, baby. What you mean? And guess I'm fat, baby. I love to eat, baby. I am fat and I am beautiful and I love it. Go to Instagram, Cooking.with.rica. Check out all my meals, baby. And you will see why the hell I'm fat. Language. Could I say that? Alright, so basically what you want to do is get into your ponytail. You want to start combing out the hairs, like the crunchy parts, combing everything into place. You see how you got all of this? You want to comb all of this stuff into place. You know you got to do that. Like, there's no way you can just fix your ponytail without stretching it, right? Like, you got to stretch it. So, anywho, some people like to use a comb, which that's me. Some people like to use a brush and brush it up. But to me, the brush make it all messy. And, I just like to comb it up because I grab my hairs. I grab every piece of hair. And, that's just me, though. But as you can see, the brush does the job. It's just, I just like the comb. So as you done comb through everything, you want to go ahead and pull out the parts that you are going to lay out, and then pull in the parts that you are going to sleek up. Do that make sense? I hope it makes sense to you. Oh, you know what I meant to tell you guys? Listen, if your hair is white, crunchy, and look crazy, man, this is a lifesaver. All you got to do is just mix it with the water. Mix it. And you can just get it all out. Like, you can get a toothbrush. You can use this. You know, you can use this to kind of make it if it's really, really crunchy. If it's really, really crunchy, you can use water in a brush and it will do the job. Trust me. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and slick my hair up real good, and I'm gonna show you guys. I mean, it's only one way you can slick it up. You gel it here, you gel it there. I'll come back and do my baby edges in front of you though, okay? Because I know that's kind of difficult for some people, but I got you. Don't worry, I got you. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys. So I'm taking in my wax because I love to use wax. It leaves a good texture for my hair. Everybody is different. You know, some people need gel. Some people can use wax. You know, I'm a wax girl. I can use wax and it actually works for me.
Yep, it actually works good. I just said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and show them because some people don't really know how to do it, and I wanted to give you a full detail, so it can be a great video, you know, and it can be useful, because that's the whole purpose of me doing this. I want you ladies to gloss up, gloss your life with Mzglossygrowshair, Miss AKA Gloss Boss, baby. Yeah, so you just take it up.
All right, so after you go ahead and you can put your wax or your gel on your edges, and we're gonna get started. So I always tell people, go with a swerve. Like, if you want your stuff to look good, I mean, it only makes sense to kind of make it look neat. You want to go in and take it in with that swerve. Take it in with the swerve. I hope this is a full, great tutorial for you ladies, because I really would love for you to know how to do these things, and you don't have to throw on no hat or no scarf and be looking crazy. You can still get yourself right back up. You see what I'm saying about the wax? It gives you that sleek, the sleek look, and that's the look that I'm going for. You can use the brush too, especially for your kitchen. Oh Lord, ladies, get that kitchen. Get that kitchen. Get that kitchen. Oh my God, I don't know how we always miss that part. When it sticks out and it looks rough. You can get some of your blasted spray. Spray in the back. So make sure it stays up. You know? Like I said, I love the comb. It works very well for me. But if you want to use, and then you can take the end and also ravel it in. Like the end parts are little loosies. And I haven't even touched my edges yet. That's the last part. It's the last part. Take it. It should. Alright, we're about to get into these edges, ladies. Let's get into it. Now, I really can't see, to be honest with you. But I'm going with what I'm used to doing. I'm stroking it down and swerving it up. You just kind of got to hold it. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. Like when I go with my little edges here, I comb it out because I know this is where I want it to be. And I swirl. I mean, I don't know if that's helpful for you. For you ladies. But, yeah. That's what I do. I don't know if I'm going to have to go back in and redo it, because I really can't. Honestly, I'm telling you the truth, I can't see. But you just go in and swerve. Go in, swerve it up. Alright, so as you can see, I didn't go back in I didn't. I'm just going with the flow now because I'm doing a tutorial and I want you guys to just see like the difference when I can't even see. So I'm gonna put some spray on my edges just so I can have that stay. Freeze it up. Y'all listen, I got my own words, so don't pay me no attention. Alright, so now when you get your ponytail sleeked up, it's up to you. You can put on a scarf to tie it down. I'm not going nowhere like that. I'm just going to the post office and drop off some orders for Rica's Glossy Hair Vitamin Drops. It's a hair growth product that grows your hair underneath your weaves. So while you're wearing your weaves, your hair can be long. Drops. It's a hair growth company that grows your hair underneath your weaves. And you don't have to wear weaves and actually for it to grow, but I'm just saying a lot of women damage their hair with their weaves in it. So now we didn't take the ponytail down, guys. So you hopefully everything is sleek as you like it. You know, like I said, I'm not gonna do the works, but you can put on a scarf. You can do anything you want to achieve your look. So now, this is the part. You want to go in with your spray bottle. And I spray from the top to the bottom. You might see some straggly hairs left out, but it's okay. We'll be alright. I spray on the inside of it. Alright, so when I tell you drench, I mean it's drenched, okay? So basically I go in, and this is what I do first. I always put my anti-frizz serum because it's oily and I want to get that moisture in there. I want to rub all this moisture. Okay, so the moisture makes it just keep that wet look. Because that's what you want. You want that wet look. You don't want that dry, frizzy look. Kill all these frizzes. Then I go in and I put my mousse. And the mousse is for the crunch. And it's not going to be like a crunch. It's just going to have that crunch look. Like, not a hard look. Almost just something that, so it can still have that wet, substance look to it. Because some people don't. You want to go ahead and comb up in that baby and make sure it's all tangled out. It's up to you if you want to use, if you feel like you want to use some cream. I use maybe like 5 different things just to keep it sleek and nice and curly without the frizz. And I go in and I put that in and I make sure I run it all the way to the bottom. Make sure you run it all, everything. Make sure you run everything to the bottom. Comb it all in. You want everything to go in the middle. That's the name of the game, right? And then you want to scrunch it. You want to get that scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. So you can just have those beautiful, look at that. If you want, you can spray. Yes, baby. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful. We done revived our ponytails, ladies. You definitely want to get some of this serum around your little ponytail. You want to get that nice and sleek looking. Just give it that little look, you know. Just give everything. Don't half step, baby. Don't half step, baby. Don't half step. Give it all you got.
Take this from me, Donnelly. Me and one girl and I see I'm mad over nobody. Damn boy pitney. Sit down and stress over man. That shit don't fit me. Independent, yeah, goodie. And go down, nothing don't do me. Enough boy, me I'm out a road with a good look. Say we God give me my fist, see me and chat to me good. You better see me and chat to me good.